Say you're sorry, darling. Say it's all your fault. Say you miss me and you wish that you answered my calls. Say you're not done falling. Say our love is art. Say you're waiting for me, that you wanna press restart.
To create a 96 Dodge Viper GTS inspired by the real car and Hot Wheels collection, and to experience how it feels to drive it virtually like in real life, follow this video for the next 5 minutes. To create the Dodge Viper GTS in GTA, open your mobile and go to the internet. Head to Legendary Motorsport, select the featured section, and scroll down to find the Banshee GTS. Purchase it in blue color and place it in your garage. It will cost around $1,989,500. Go to your garage or auto shop, then apply the following settings to replicate the 1996 Dodge Viper GTS in GTA 5. Leave armor and brakes as they are. Bumpers. Front bumper, stock delete. Rear bumper, stock delete. Engine, leave as it is. Exhausts, side exit. Grille, stock grille. Hood, center vent delete hood. Horn, keep as it is. Lights, stock or xenon. Neon kits, keep as it is. Livery, white stripes, main. Mirrors, stock mirrors. Plate, blue on white 2, or as per your design. Respray. Primary, chameleon anodized blue pearl. Secondary, classic surf blue or black. Crew and others, leave as it is. Roll cage, none. Roof, stock roof. Spoilers, stock delete. Sunstrip, none. Suspension, stock suspension. Transmission, leave as it is. Trim, primary trim. Wheels. SUV chrome rims Bipu. Windows, none. Now let's take a look and go for a test drive in GTA 5.